I'm from Korea. Today I'd like to show you a typical Korean breakfast and how to make seasoned soy sauce for plain roasted seaweed, the same kind of seaweed we use for gimbap. Check the pinned comment for the full recipe and exact measurements. It's super easy to make. Just finely chop the green onion and mince the garlic. Add all the ingredients to a bowl and mix them together. If you like a little heat, you can add some red pepper powder. That's it! You can use this sauce with bibimbap, Korean bean sprout rice, Korean egg rice, or pan-fried tofu. I've already shared these recipes on my channel, so check them out. In Korea, we also have a plain roasted seaweed with no seasoning like the seaweed we use for gimbap. If you're using a large sheet, you can cut it into 4 to 6 smaller pieces. Plain seaweed is different from seasoned Korean seaweed. Seasoned seaweed usually has oil and salt on it, so it's already flavorful on its own. Plain seaweed doesn't have any oil or salt, so we often eat it with a sauce like this.
쿠쿠가 맛있는 백미밥을 완성하였습니다. 밥을 잘 저어주세요.
This is what a simple Korean breakfast can look like at home. In my next videos, I will show you how to make the pan-fried tofu and Korean rolled eggs you see here. The tofu goes perfectly with the seasoned soy sauce we made today. So, if you're curious, check out my next videos.